right, friends, get those pencils ready. We're going to be drawing Arthur Morgan from Red Dead Redemption. All right, so to start with, I'm going to get my pencil and lay out some features here, so I know what goes where. There we go. There we go. All right, so to start with, what we're gonna do is start with his hat. So we're gonna start down here. We're gonna draw a line coming up, coming back down, like that, and then coming back down, all right? Then we're gonna draw a big line starting over here and coming up, down, back across. Then we're gonna draw another line coming back up here. And then we've got like a little rope line here for the top of his hat. All right, and there is his hat, and it looks like he's got a little something coming off the back end of it. All right, so then from there, we're just gonna draw a little line coming down like that for his head. And then he's got a collar, just like so, and it comes back with a little wiggly line, and then it comes back a little bit more, and that's his shoulder. Okay, then in front of that, we've got the neck. So it's gonna come up, back out, and in like that. Then from there, he's got the front part of his shirt, and he's got a little collar thing right there, coming up here, like so. And then this has a little thing that comes out and comes down. All right, and there is almost his, and then he's got like a suspender thing here. There we go. All right, and there is his body. Okay, then underneath the hat here, we have a line that comes around like this. And then he's got an ear that's kind of lined up with his collar. And it's gonna be like a letter C. And then he's got like a little dark spot in there. He's got the little fold in his ear. And then from there, from his ear, we've got a hairline like that. And then from his hat, his hairline comes down like that. Okay, so there's the back of his head. Now comes the front. All right, so for the front, the nose lines up with the ear right here. So we're gonna do a little backward C, coming out, and then coming back up, and it kind of lines up with this part right here. And then he's got a little line coming down from his grimace. And then this comes straight up like that. And then he's got a little eyebrow here and a little eyelash there. And then from there, he's got a little arched eyebrow. And then you don't really see his eyes much. They're kind of just squinty. Like that. And he's got a little shading underneath. Maybe we'll put another line in there because he's like, make my day. Oh wait, that's Clint Eastwood. All right, then for his mouth, He's got like a little nostril kind of hole here. And then his mouth comes down like that. And then his bottom lip comes out like that. And then this comes around, and this is back, and this is really dark. His top lip's super dark. And then he's got all of his little facial stubble. All of this stubble stuff. Definitely not clean shaven. All right. And then under his, this is like super dark under here. All right, looks like it's time to color. Maybe he does have a little bit of an eye. There we go. All right, I'll have to figure out a background for this character. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.